Where are you from? Where are you from? Ki kote ou soti? Ki kote ou soti? I am from California. I am from California. Mwen soti Californie. Mwen soti Californie. And what do you do? And what do you do? Ki sa wap fe? Ki sa wap fe? I am an English teacher. I am an English teacher. Mwen se yon professeur anglais. Mwen se yon professeur anglais. Good. How old are you? Good. How old are you? Bien. Ki l'âge ou? Bien. Ki l'âge ou? I'm 40. Yeah, I'm old. I am 40. Yeah, I am old. Mwen gen 40 ans. Yeah, mwen fin vie grand moun. Mwen gen 40 ans. Yeah, mwen fin vie grand moun. No, that's not old. Who is your best friend? No, that's not old. Who is your best friend? Non, sa pa fin vie grand moun. Qui est-ce qui pi bon zami? Non, sa pa fin vie grand moun. Qui est-ce qui pi bon zami? My best friend is John. He is a teacher too. My best friend is John. He is a teacher too. Pi bon zami mwen c'est John. Li se yon professeur tout. Pi bon zami mwen c'est John. Li se yon professeur tout. Really? Really? Vraiment? Vraiment? Yes, he lives in America. Yes, he lives in America. Oui, li ap viv nan Amerik la. Oui, li ap viv nan Amerik la. He is my friend as well. He is my friend as well. Li se zanmim tou. Li se zanmim tou. Great. Are you married? Great. Are you married? Bien. Est-ce que ou marié? Bien. Est-ce que ou marié? No. I'm not married. I am still single. No, I am not married. I am still single. Non, mwen pa marié. Mwen toujou célibataire. Non, mwen pa marié. Mwen toujou célibataire. Where is your mom from? Where is your mom from? Kote maman ou soti? Kote maman soti? My mom is from Los Angeles. My mom is from Los Angeles. Maman soti nan Los Angeles. Maman sorti dans Los Angeles. And what does she do? And what does she do? Et puis, qui ça lui fait? Et puis, qui ça lui fait? She is a manager. She works in a clothing store. She is a manager. She works in a clothing store. Li se yon manager. Li travaille dans yon magasin rad. Li se yon manager. Li travaille dans yon magasin rad. Where is your dad from? Where is your dad from? Ki kote papa ou soti? Ki kote papa ou soti? My dad is from San Francisco, but he met my mother in Los Angeles. My dad is from San Francisco, but he met my mother in Los Angeles. Papa m sorti San Francisco, mais li te rencontré maman dans Los Angeles. Papa m sorti San Francisco, mais li te rencontré maman dans Los Angeles. What does he do? What does he do? Qui ça li fait? Qui ça li fait? He is a mechanic. He is a mechanic. Li se yon mécanicien. Li se yon mécanicien. Wow! That sounds exciting. Wow! That sounds exciting. Wow! Son ça intéressant. Wow! Son ça intéressant. Yeah, good job. Yeah, good job. Oui, travail fouet. Oui, travail fouet. Is it dangerous? Is it dangerous? Est-ce que li dangereux? Est-ce que li dangereux? I can say a little dangerous. A little. What about you? I can say a little dangerous. A little. What about you? Mwen ka di yon ti kras dangereux. Yon ti kras et ou même. Mwen ka di yon ti kras dangereux. Yon ti kras et ou même. Where are you from? Where are you from? Ki kote ou soti? Ki kote ou soti? I'm from in Haiti, on the north. I am from in Haiti, on the north. Mwen soti en Haiti, nan nord. Mwen soti en Haiti, nan nord. Nice. What do you teach? Nice. What do you teach? Belle. Qui ça ou enseigner? Belle. Qui ça ou enseigner? I am also a teacher. I am also a teacher. Moi c'est yon professeur tout. Moi c'est yon professeur tout. I teach English. I teach English. Moi enseigner anglais. Moi enseigner anglais. Oh, me too. Oh, me too. Oh, moi-même tout. Oh, moi-même tout. It's fun, isn't it? It's fun, isn't it? C'est plaisir, pas vrai? C'est plaisir, pas vrai? Yeah, it is. It's very fun. Excuse me. Can I ask how old are you? Yeah, it is. It's very fun. Excuse me. Can I ask how old are you? Oui, c'est vrai. Li très amusant. Excusez-moi. Est-ce que moi ka mande ki l'âge ou? Oui, c'est vrai. Li très amusant. Excusez-moi. Est-ce que moi ka mande ki l'âge ou? Of course, you can ask. I am 34. Of course, you can ask. I am 34. Naturellement, ou ka mande, mwen gen 34 ans. Naturellement, ou ka mande, mwen gen 34 ans. Okay, very young. Where is your mom from? Okay, very young. Where is your mom from? Ok, très jeune. Qui côté maman sorti? Ok, très jeune. Qui côté maman sorti? My mom is from Cap-Haïtien. My mom is from Cap-Haïtien. Maman c'est moun au Cap-Haïtien. Maman c'est moun au Cap-Haïtien. Okay, what does she do? Okay, what does she do? Okay, qui ça li fait? Okay, qui ça li fait? Well, she is retired now, but she was a teacher. Well, she is retired now, but she was a teacher. Eh bien, li pran retraite kounye ya, mais li te yon professeur. Eh bien, li pran retraite kounye ya, mais li te yon professeur. Oh, wow! Many teachers. Oh, wow! Many teachers. Oh, wow! Un pile professeur. Oh, wow! Un pile professeur. Yes, it looks like that. Yes, it looks like that. Oui, li semble ça. Oui, li semble ça. Well, thanks, Annie. Nice talking to you. Well, thanks, Annie. Nice talking to you. Eh bien, merci, Annie. Moi content parler avec vous. Eh bien, merci, Annie. Moi content parler avec vous. You too, Don. You too don't. Ou même tout donne. Ou même tout donne.